Hello guys and welcome back to the Minecraft Multi-Force. This is part 3, the final part of the C-130 aircraft and helicopter MRO Hangar. And again, this design is built by MartatjeNL and myself, and we have pretty much this from part 2. And if you haven't already, to go watch, part 2 or part 1. This is what it looks like so far, and we're pretty much going to add in the parking lot in the back, the loading dock here, as well as the side garages, as well as the interior, which is not yet furnished. But yeah, let's get started on this tutorial. Alright, so first off, let's grab some materials. We'll take out a dark oak fence, chain, andesite wall, smooth stone slab, light gray concrete, deep slate tile slab, and stone button, polish andesite block, birch button. Alright, so we're going to start off on this side. So let's go right over here, take out the dark oak fence, and we're going to make it so it's going to be 4 blocks tall, just like that. And then go over here, add in chain, 2 blocks wide like that. Over here, we're gonna skip 2 blocks, add in an andesite wall, and then light gray concrete, and this is going to be 4 blocks wide like that. And we're gonna make it 4 blocks tall, placing all this section here. Then we're gonna add in smooth stone slab at the very top of this. Alright, then over here we'll add in our deep slate tile block and slab there. And then right over here, we'll add an andesite wall, and it's going to be 5 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to make it 3 blocks tall like this. Then we'll go off to the next section, skip 2 blocks, and add in 3 blocks wide, light gray concrete, and make it 3 blocks tall. Then we'll add in stone buttons on either side, and then a dark oak fence, 3 blocks tall like that. Skip a block here, add 3 blocks tall here, and then our deep slate tile block, 2 blocks wide, and then deep slate tile slabs, 2 blocks wide like that. Then above here, we'll add in our deep slate tile block, 2 blocks wide again, and you know what, we'll make it 2 by 2, just like that. And then we'll punch in a hole here, and then add in 3 blocks tall of this dark oak fence, and then we'll add in deep slate tile block there, and then a slab underneath. Then down here we'll add in 2 blocks tall, polish andesite block, skip a block, 2 blocks tall again, and then birch buttons at the bottom, and a chain going horizontally like that. Then skip a block, andesite wall, 3 blocks tall, and then make it go all the way across to that pillar. Alright, and then we'll add in dark oak fence, just 3 blocks tall there. And then over here, we'll add in deep slate tile, 2 blocks wide, and then I guess slabs on top of that. And then we'll add in an oak button on top of that birch button, like that. Alright, so that's it for this side, and let's go work on the other side. It's apparently different. Alright, so for this side, let's go over this section, add in andesite wall, 3 blocks tall here, right in the second box area, and I'm going to make it 5 blocks wide, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then over here, skip a block, add in dark oak fence, and I'm going to make this go all the way to the top. And then we'll add in our deep slate tile block here, and the slab underneath. And then we'll go here, skip 2 blocks, and add in 3 blocks wide of light gray concrete, 3 blocks tall. And then let's go over here and add in our deep slate tile block, and then a dark oak fence, and we're going to make this go all the way down. Then we'll go right at the top, add in our deep slate tile block, 2 blocks wide, and then slabs on top. And over here, we'll add an andesite wall, 3 blocks tall, and 5 blocks wide. Then we'll go over here, and then we'll punch in 4 blocks wide, light gray concrete, and 4 blocks tall, light gray concrete. And just fill this in. Just like that. And then we'll add in 4 blocks wide smooth stone slabs at the top of it. And I'm also going to change up the other side. Apparently I made that slab too short, so move that up a slab like this. Alright, so now let's work on the back section. So there's going to be some doorways. So let's go right over here, skip a block, and add in 4 blocks wide. Hole like that. And then we're going to make it 4 blocks tall, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Then skip 2 blocks, make it 2 by 3. That. Go here, I guess skip a block, a 2 by 3 there. And then we'll make a 4 block wide hole, 4 blocks tall. Like that. And let's go over section 4 blocks wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4. Alright. And there's going to be another 4 by 4 over here, so skip 2 blocks. Just like this. Then go here, skip a block, 2 by 3. Alright, and then let's go, and then we're going to go right over here and make another 2 by 3. Just like that. Then we'll go on the other side over here. And add in 2 by 3. And then go over to this one, another 2 by 3. Go here, skip block 2 by 3. And alrighty, then we'll go right underneath the one with that vent on top. And let's go here, skip block 4 by 4. Hole like this. And then for the next one, skip block 2 by 3. Alrighty, then let's go over to this side. Skip 2 blocks and add an NSA wall 3 by 5. Just like this. Over here, we'll add in light gray concrete. I'm gonna make it 2 blocks tall. Iron bars, 3 blocks tall. Oak bun right there. And then we'll go here, skip block, light gray concrete, iron bar on the top and the bottom like that. And then let's go over here and we'll add in a dark oak fence with a wither skeleton skull on top of it. Like that. And then for over here, we'll add in that dark oak fence. One here. And then our tile, deep slate tile block here, and then a slab on top. And then dark oak fence all the way up. Punch through this fence, punch through that slab. And go all the way up over there. And then we'll go down here, skip block, deep slate tile blocks, 2 blocks wide. And then slabs on top of that. And then a 2 by 3 of dark oak fence. Just like that. And then right over here, we'll add in a jungle trapdoor. Close that up. Then 2 blocks tall birch fence gates, open them up. And then a 2 by 2 of polished andesite. Blocks like that. Birch signs in the front of that. Like so. Go here, punch in a 2 by 2 hole. Then down over here, we'll add in anvils, 2 blocks wide. And then another brick fence, dark oak fence, and then 2 blocks wide, dark oak trapdoors like that. And then a 2 by 2 of black carpet. Then we'll add in that deep slate tile stairs. Just make it 2 by 2 right here. And make it 2 blocks long. Gonna be a little bit tricky. Just like that. And then inside here, we'll add in that green terracotta. And we'll just make it 2 by 2. Then we'll add in a diorite wall 2 blocks tall. Right to that side of it. Alright, so then we'll go to this 4 block wide hole, make a 4 by 4 of light gray concrete. And then for the frame, we'll add in dark oak trapdoors. And we're going to make that 4 blocks tall. Right on the sides. So try to make that go vertically up. And at the top, we'll add in our smooth stone slab like that. Then for this 2x3, we'll add in inside green terracotta 2x3, and then a blackstone bun on the right. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to copy the same design that we did for this 4x4 door over to this one and all the other ones. And the 2x3s are going to have this green door. Alright, so once they're all added, it should be looking like this. Then we're to go right over to this one. Skip 2 blocks, make a 2x3 hole. Or I mean a 3x3 hole. Square. And we're going to add another one of those. It's going to be right next to the square, next to the American flag. So right here, make that 3x3. And then we'll add in this upside down T shape of green terracotta. Dark oak fence gate there in the middle. And the inside's going to be a black concrete. And we're going to make that so it's like 2 blocks tall here, 2 blocks tall here, and then mossy cobblestone stairs. Trying to make these windows like that. And we're to copy the same design that we did here to the other 3x3 that we made. So that's going to be right around here. And then we're going to go over to this one where they share it, and we're going to add in this birch trapdoors. For the frame, punch in 2 blocks wide here. Inside we'll add in 2 blocks tall of cyan terracotta and then 2 blocks tall birch trapdoors. Just like that. Then we're going to add in deep slate tile block. That's going to be over here and another slab on top. Then we're going to add in a birch fence gate. So that's going to be one over here. Actually 2 blocks wide, then dialing up 2 blocks wide like that. Alright, and then let's go over to this section. We'll make it a 3 blocks wide by 3 blocks wide hole. Like that. And then go here, skip a block, add in deep slate tile block and slab on top. And do the same thing over here. And then we'll add in a spruce fence. And we're going to make this go all the way to the top. Just like that. Alright, so next we'll take out an site block. And we're going to add it so it's 4 blocks wide here. And then we'll delete this 4 blocks wide slab there. And then add an andesite block 4 blocks wide at the very top. Just like that. And then we're to connect them to going all the way down. So extend this andesite all the way down like that. And then let's go down here, add in a red concrete, 2 blocks tall, polish andesite block, and then 3 blocks tall of spruce fence like that, cyan terracotta, and then a birch button there. Then down here it's going to be blackstone button, 2 blocks tall, and then a dark oak fence gate, open that up like that, and then another brick fence right there, and make this go all the way to the very top. And then we're going to add in andesite wall, and we're going to wrap that around this section, all in front of the parts that don't have the block. Just like that. And then inside here, we're going to make that 2x3 of white concrete, and make it this 2 blocks wide, white concrete. And then inside here, we'll add in 2x3 of, green terracotta and blackstone bun right there. And then we'll add in smooth sandstone walls so that they're going to be around the outside of this all the way. So it's 3 blocks tall. And then we're going to add in a wither skeleton skull, one right here. And then another brick fence 2 blocks tall. And then on top, we're going to add in a smooth stone slab. And I'm going to cover up top of this. And we're actually going to poke a hole here in the middle. And I'm going to add in a sea lantern. So it's some lighting inside. And yeah, we can also move the blackstone button that way, you know. I think for these, I don't even know like which the correct direction. Maybe these blackstone buttons they should be facing like on that side. I don't know. It depends on the door. Except for this doorway, it wouldn't really make sense. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it for that interior. Now let's go on the outside and work on that. So let's go onto this side. Alright, so here we have this doorway set up, and we're just going to add in smooth stone slab across the top of it. Then over here we'll add in 2 blocks wide of stone, 2x3 basically like that. Then over here, skip block, add in stone block like that. Alright, so next let's go underneath this vent here and just place a block temporarily just to mark the area. And we're going to add in a brick slab down here. And we're going to make it 3 blocks long. Diagonally down 3, diagonally down 3, diagonally down another 3. It's going to be the last one, I think. Should match up with that side. And we're actually going to add in another one, so it's kind of like lines up with this stone slab there. So let me see if we can get that right around. Yeah, right around here. Just keep on doing the same thing. 3, 3, 3, 3. And then we're gonna connect it so it goes all the way across. Just like, it's gonna take us a while. Just like that. And then down in this corner, we're gonna punch in a hole here, add in a brick stairs upside down, and then stone brick wall. And we're gonna make this go all the way down. Just like that. Alright, so next we're going to line up with this pole. Go on the outside part. And add in stone brick wall underneath it. And go to this one and then line up. And then go 2 blocks to the left. Alright, and then we're going to make this go all the way down. Other thing, same thing. And then put in our upside down brick stairs on top of it. Alright, so then we're going to extend these brick slabs so that they go all the way across. So it should be looking like this. Then let's go here, and we're going to add in 5 blocks long stone blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Alright, and now we're going to extend all of this area, so it's just stone. And we're going to make that go line up all the way up to the outside part. So it should be looking just like this. Alright, so after that, let's go to the back. Go here, and we're going to extend this brick slab by 1. And then we're also going to add in, so it's a block thick. Just like that. Then underneath, we'll add in our smooth sandstone blocks all the way across. Down underneath. That it should be looking like this, and then we'll make a 2x4 of polished andesite blocks. Then we'll add in 4 blocks tall blackstone buttons, and then 2 birch fence gates and open them up like that. And go over here, we'll add in sandstone wall, just like that. And then we're to count 8 blocks. And so we have 8 blocks of space between, and then sandstone wall here. And then count in another 8 blocks. And we'll add in a sandstone wall there. I'm going to make this go all the way to the top. Just like that. Alright, so next let's go over here. Add in 2 blocks wide of iron trap doors like this. And then we'll go over here. Alright, so over here we'll add in dark oak trap door, 4 blocks long. And then dark oak slab 4 blocks wide like that. And then smooth stone block 4 blocks long here. And then we can, skip this block here. And punch in 3 blocks tall. Like that. And make it 4 blocks wide. Alright, and then we'll add in birch trap doors on sides, close them up. And then we'll add in light gray concrete, 4 blocks wide over here, 2 blocks wide, stone buttons like that. And the inside we'll add in black concrete, make it 2x4. just like this. And then we'll add in inside stairs so that they're making a 2x2 for each window. So there's 2 windows like that. It'll be our doorway. And then we'll add in smooth stone block. And it's going to be 4 blocks long over here next to the door. Then 2 blocks wide over here. And then we'll connect the 2 sides together with smooth stone blocks. And then we'll add in inside wall right here, 5 blocks tall, so 3, 4, 5 like that. And we're gonna add in brick slab here, and we're gonna go diagonally up, so it's gonna be 4, 3, and then 4, and then 2 blocks wide here, and then go, diagonally down. And then we'll add in that andesite wall all the way down here, and then we'll connect the 2 sides together with andesite walls, and then a birch fence gate, connect that on top. Alright, and then we're going to extend this brick roof thing all the way to meet up with the building like that. And then we'll add in our smooth sandstone block, 2 blocks wide here, another block here, and then smooth stone block like that. And then we're going to go right over here to this window. Make it 2x3 of smooth stone, like that, and then 2 blocks smooth stone, smooth sandstone block here, and then 3 smooth sandstone blocks like that, and then stone slab. It's gonna be 3 blocks long here, and then another that goes wrapped around like that, and then smooth stone slab 2x3 like that. All right, and then we're gonna extend this section over here, these 3 blocks, all the way so that they meet up with that part. And then we'll go over here, and then we'll just add in 2 smooth stone slabs, and then a stone slab there. Then we'll add in birch fence on top, and we'll extend this segment so it meets up with the other side. Just like that, and then wrap it around with birch fence around the outside perimeter of it, as well as this part over here in the middle, the divider, just a railing for the wheelchair accessible people. And then over here, that's actually birch fence gate like that. And then inside, we can add in stone blocks, 2x3, just like so. All right, then we're gonna go off to this side. And we'll delete these 2 blocks here. Add a black concrete. Add NRA divider in the middle, and then iron trapdoors on the bottom. And then we'll skip 4 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Punch in 2x3 hole there. Inside, we'll add in birch trapdoors on the edges. Close them up. And then light gray concrete 2x3. Like that. And then we'll go over here in the middle, and then we'll add in stone. And we're going to make it so it's going to be 3 blocks. So 1, 2, 3 like that. And then stone slab. It's going to be 3 blocks as well. And then stone brick. Slab here. And then we're going to add stone brick blocks 5 long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make this 3. Then we're going to make this 3 as well. Or maybe 4. Yeah, I think it's 4. And then we're going to add in, so it lines up with this window here. Brick slot, 3 long. Diagonally down 4. Diagonally down 3. And then sandstone walls all the way down. And then we'll add in stone brick blocks so they line up over here, and we're going to line that up towards the building. And then we'll add in some more sandstone walls underneath here like that. And then we're going to connect it, and then we're going to extend this brick roof area so it goes and lines up with the other side. Alrighty, so once it lines up with the other side, it should look like this. We can even trim a little bit in the inside of this. As well as this part over here, that's going to be smooth sandstone slab, 3 blocks wide like that. And I think we can actually like delete this part over here. Alright, and then we'll fill in the inside of this with stone. So let's do that. So it should be looking like this. Alright, then we'll go at the top part here. And we're going to delete some blocks over here. And then let's go over to side. And we're going to skip 8 blocks of space. And I'm going to add in sandstone wall, goes all the way up like that. And we want to sort of hover above because we're going to fill this in later. And then we'll go up over here, add in a bedrock block inside just like that. Alright, so next let's go over here. And we're going to make this stone brick block. So it's going to be 47 blocks long. So let's do that all the way across like that. And we're going to extend this so it goes all the way to that area. So that it should be looking, you know, just like that. And then we're to extend, you know, this roof area from the brick all the way to this smooth sandstone block. And we're to extend it so it meets up with this stone brick wall like that. So let's do that, however long that is. So that it should be looking like this. Alright, so let's go back over here and we're to count, let's see, 11 blocks between. So 11 blocks of space between that and the next sandstone wall right here. Make this go all the way to the top. And then we're going to count another 11 blocks. And then we'll add in sandstone wall after it all the way to the top. Alright, so next up, let's go right over here. And we're just go skip 3 blocks space here and add in andesite block. And we're going to make it 4 blocks long like that. Then we'll go to this one, skip block, andesite 4 blocks long like that. And we're going to connect the 2 sides together so that they're all andesite. So that it should be looking like that. And then we'll go right over here. Polish andesite stairs. Polish andesite block 2x3. Skip 2 blocks and do the same thing. They'll add in diorite wall, 3 blocks tall like this. Other side, same thing. Actually, you know what? It's just 2 blocks tall like that. And then we'll make these minecart rails. Make it 2x2 like this. Top of them, and then blackstone pressure plates like that. And then we'll add in andesite blocks around it like that. Alright, so over here, skip a block, add in polish andesite stairs like that. Skip 2 blocks, another one, skip 2 blocks, another one. And then diorite walls 2 blocks tall above for each of them. Then 2x2 of polished diorite blocks for these 2. And then 1 here, and then polish diorite slabs 2 blocks there. And then a blackstone bun over here, and then some tracks 2x2s in just like that. Alright, so next up, let's go up to this vent here. Next, this andesite. Just count off, you know, 5 blocks away, I think. We'll add in an andesite block there. 3 blocks wide, 4 blocks long. And then blackstone pressure plates 2 blocks wide inside like that. And then we're to go right over here. And just line up the block after this andesite. And let's go skip 2 blocks over here, away from that wall. And then we'll make a 2x4 of smooth stone blocks. Skip a block 2x4 again. And then next to this one, we'll add in jungle slab 2 blocks long like that. And then we'll fill in the inside of this with grass. So that it should be looking like this. Alright, so next let's go over here and line it up with that brick roof over there, and we're going to add in slope here as well. So it's going to be 2, then 3, then 3, and then another 3. Just like that. And we're going to extend this so it goes all the way over there. Alright, so that it should be looking like this. Alright, and then we're going to add an additional brick slab underneath here, and then smooth sandstone block inside there. And I'm going to extend this to the edge as well, all the way across, just like that. Then over here, let's go down and we'll add in stone. And that's going to be 9 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Skip a block and add in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we'll add in smooth sandstone pillar next to that. The gaps. Just like so. And then we're going to extend this pillar so that they go line up the rest of the building. So that it should be looking like that. And then we'll extend this, 1 block above. Like this. And then we'll add in the inside. It's going to be smooth stone slabs like this. Cross. And we'll make this go all the way across to, the building itself. Just like that. And then over here, we'll add in smooth stone slabs like that. Alright, and the inside of this, just fill that in with stone blocks. All the way inside like that. And this outer edge here, we can actually extend it so this whole corner is like filled in. Alright, so once you filled in the corner, it should look like this. And then let's go down here in the corner here, we'll add in smooth sandstone block. Let's go all the way down like that. And we're pretty much fill in this entire wall here with smooth sandstone blocks, all the way down like that. Then go over here and just skip 2 blocks and add in sandstone wall. Going all the way up like that. Alright, so next we're to count out 9 blocks between. And we're going to add in another sandstone wall there. Then we're going to count out 10 blocks between. Add another sandstone wall there. And then we're to count out another 10 blocks between. Sandstone wall here. Then count out 9 blocks between. And sandstone wall right there. And then we're to count out 4 blocks between sandstone wall and then another 4 blocks. Sandstone walls between like that. Alright, and then we'll extend all these sandstone walls so that they go all the way to the very top. Just like that. Alright, so once we're done with that, let's go right where you see that big window, go line that up down here. Skip a block over here and then make a 3x3 hole. And skip 2 blocks, another 3x3 hole here. And over here, skip block, another 3x3 hole. Alright, and then in the inside, we'll add in bottom stone blocks. And then light gray concrete, 3x3. And then another brick fence, 3 blocks tall. Stone buttons to sides of it like that. And I'm going to use the same design for this, for the other 2 doors. So that they should look like that. And then right above this section, we'll add in a 2x3 of cyan terracotta. Then we'll go over here. We'll add in nether brick walls, 2 blocks wide. And then we'll need to add in wither skeleton skulls. Let's go like back to back like that. Over here, make a 3x3 cyan terracotta. Down here, nether brick wall, nether brick slab on top like so. Alright, next let's go on the roof here. Go to this level, line up with this pillar. And just add in this polished basalt. And we're going to have to put a polished basalt in there, straight up. And then polish andesite slab on top. And skip 2 blocks, add another brick wall here. Skip a block, another nether brick wall here. And then another brick wall on top. And then dark oak trapdoors on top of everything. And then we'll skip 2 blocks, punch in a hole here. Nether brick wall, dark oak trapdoor on top. Then over here, next to this part, punch in a hole, nether brick wall, nether brick slab on top. And the inside of all this is going to have brick slabs underneath everything. just like that. So it looks like that. Then we'll go right over here, line up the second part of this window, go down, and punch in a hole here. Skip 3 blocks, punch in another hole. And then we'll add in that polished basalt, sticking straight up with polished andesite slabs on top like that. Alright, so next we're going to take gray concrete powder and we're going to add in 11 blocks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then in front of that, all of that's going to be stone. Just like that. And then we're going to add in everything over here all the way up to this edge here. Place that grass with that gray concrete powder like this. Then over here we'll add in brick block. And I'm going to make it so it's 12 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just like that. Then we're going to add in a smooth sandstone block all the way down. Just like that. And then we'll go over here to side and add in smooth sandstone block. I'll make this go up all the way up. Like that. And then skip 2 blocks, another one here. And then I'm going to add in smooth sandstone blocks, 2 blocks wide here. Fill in the top. And then fill in the part underneath this part. And then we'll add in birch planks, so it's going to be 4 blocks wide. And 4 blocks tall. And then we'll add in 4 blocks wide, upside down, smooth. Oh, okay, this is actually, we need to fill in this part like that. So 4 blocks wide, stairs like that. And then this part's going to be 2 blocks wide. The inside's going to be the light gray concrete. 2x3, stone bun right here. And then dark oak stairs upside down, then right side up like this. I'm going to punch in a hole down here. And actually this whole part over here we need to excavate. But first let's work on the side over here. Add in our stone brick block here. And I'm going to make it 32 blocks long. That. And then we'll add in 3 stone blocks here. And then 3 stone slabs. And then we're going to delete all the blocks of grass after it or before it. It looks like this, and delete this part as well. And extend this down, smooth sandstone blocks on the inside, then 2 blocks wide here, and then 2 blocks wide, dark oak stairs like that. And they'll make an L shape of smooth sandstone blocks either side of it, and then smooth sandstone stairs going all the way down like that. Then over here, we can add in levers, 4 blocks, just like that. And then we're gonna extend this stone part, so it goes up to the other side, just like that. And then we're gonna extend this stone brick block 1 block down, like that. And then this part over here, we're gonna fill that in with stone all the way across the bottom of the channel like that. Alright. And then we'll extend this light gray or just gray concrete powder all the way up to the edge, just like so. And now we're going to work on the parking lot, so let's go over here, right next to this, right that part, punch in a hole, and that should be 8 blocks wide. And then we'll add in oak stairs, that. Then we'll make 13 blocks over here, oak stairs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we're just going to make a triangle, rectangle shape now. Connecting the sides together. All the way. All the way across the other side like that. And delete the blocks inside here. Looks like this. And then we'll add in oak stairs. So it's going to be 1 here, And then our gray concrete powder. Gonna make a diagonal like that. And then our oak stairs again diagonally. And then our gray concrete powder. Kind of like a lightning bolt across like that. And then oak stairs again. And I guess we just keep on doing this pattern. Yeah, pretty much all the way across. Keep on doing that. One more. Then over here, just trying to keep the same thing going on. How long this will take. Is this the last one? I don't know. I think there's like one in this corner. Yeah. Oak stairs like that. Alright, so you have like this nice pattern. And then I'm going to add in deep slate brick slabs so that there's going to be 3. Just like that. And then we'll add in oak fence so that there's going to be here, 3 of them spaced apart. Then another 3 here, spaced apart. Then I'm going to add 3 blocks wide oak fence gates, open them all up. And then a 2x2 of cyan terracotta. And then oak slabs wrapped around side of that. And then bedrock, we'll make a 2x2 here. And on top we'll add in gray carpets. Inside we'll add in gray banners. And then we'll add in deep slate brick stairs, make it 2x2. Just like that. Then I'm going to add in flower pots above all these oak fence. All the way across, like that. And then we'll go here, skip 3 blocks, and then add in 8 blocks long of smooth quartz stairs. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we want to make sure that there's gray concrete powder on the inside of this. And we're going to make it so there's 5 of these parking lots lines. So 4 more times. Like that. And then over here, we're going to add this time 5 blocks of gray concrete powder. And then 2 stone blocks here. Diagonally 3 stone. Diagonally 2. Diagonally 1. And then diagonally this time 2 blocks this way. And then another stone like that. Alright, then we'll go off to the other side. Over here, we'll add in some oak leaves, and we're going to make it 2x3 here. And then we'll add another 3, so it's cornered like that. And then we'll add in coarse dirt, 2x2 here. Another 2x2 here. Then L-shape around this part here. And then smooth stone slabs across like that. To the edge of the dirt. And then we'll add in stone blocks, so it's 4 blocks long here. And then we'll add in 3 blocks long here. Diagonally down 1, diagonally down 1, diagonally down 1. Then over here, we'll make it 2x3. Add 1 here, fill this part in like that. And then the rest of this is going to be stone across on the inside of this. Sorry, it's a little laggy. Then we'll extend this smooth stone slabs across like that. And then we'll fill in the rest of this area here, all the way across to the other side. That should be stone. Just like that. And then this part here, that's going to be stone as well. All of this is stone. Yeah. Alright, so once we're done with that, let's go back onto this side and add in gray concrete powder, so it's 4 blocks long actually. And then smooth quartz stairs, 8 blocks long, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll make that 3x8 of gray concrete powder, like that. And extend the smooth stone slab like that. And then we're going to make 11 more of these lines across that way. So that should look like this. And then once we reach this edge here, just delete these two here. And add in 3 more slabs here. And then we'll make this edge 5 blocks wide. And we're going to make this go wrap it around all the way up to this parking lot space. And then fill this part in with gray concrete powder like that. Then we're going to add in lapis lazuli. Make it 2 by 3. 3 blocks wide right there. Then polish deep slate stairs 3 blocks wide like that. And then 3 blocks wide dark oak trapdoors like that. And then birch buttons on sides of it, and it's going to be our dumpster like that. And then I'm going to add in a smooth stone slab here. And I'm going to make it so it's 24 blocks long. And then we're going to add in gray concrete powder here. And we're going to make that 16 blocks long. And then I'm going to add in smooth stone slab here, diagonally up. Another one, diagonally up 2, diagonally up 4, diagonally up the other way 3, and diagonally up 1, diagonally up 1, diagonally up 2 blocks this way, diagonally up 4 blocks, like that. And I'm going to make this part 9 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this part could be 5 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here, add in smooth poured stairs, so it's 8 blocks long, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And fill in the inside of this with gray concrete powder like that. Alright. Next, let's go off to the other side. We're gonna go line up where this pole is, and we're gonna down out 13 blocks of like our gray concrete, so powder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, and then after that, we're going to add in 3 blocks long smooth stone slab. Over here, diagonally add in 1, diagonally add in 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Diagonally down 1, diagonally down 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll make this part 5 blocks wide like that. And then smooth poured stairs. Make it 8 blocks long. And it should look like that. And then right over here, we'll add in smooth stone slabs in a diagonal. So they go across like this. I think it's around there. And we can actually make sure the other side, so we can extend this smooth stone slab. So it goes up to the other side, and it should pretty much line up like that. And then this part here, we're going to extend that as well, all the way up to the other side. Just like that. Alright, and then the inside of this, we're going to fill that in with grass. So let's do that right now. So once it's all filled in, it should look like that. And then we're going to add in this gray concrete powder from this edge here. And just make it go line up with this part over there. So let's do that right now. Filling in the edge. And if you want to expand this, beyond the parking lot, feel free to do so. We're just doing the hangar itself. And then we'll fill in this part in, gray concrete powder in like that. Alright, so next up we're going to add in some more parking spaces. So on this side we want 10 more parking spaces in addition to the one we already have. It looks like that. And they're all like 3 blocks gap between the stairs. And the other side, that's going to have 14 additional parking spaces. So it should look like this. And then we're going to go inside here, just fill this in with gray concrete powder, like that. And then let's go here, and then skip 3 blocks, add another prismarine brick stairs like that. Skip a block, light blue concrete powder, skip block, prismarine brick stairs, light blue concrete powder, and then prismarine brick stairs 3 blocks long, and prismarine stairs like that, so it goes down. And we're gonna line up all those down like that. Over here, skip a block, light blue concrete powder, prismarine brick stairs here, 2 blocks like that. Prismarine brick stairs just facing towards each other, and prismarine brick stairs facing away. And we extend this down a block like that, as well as the rest of them. And then we're going to do that all the way down. We'll meet up with that wall over there, like so. And then right over here, skip block, add another stairs, skip block, no stairs, keep on doing that. And then for this part, try to make that diagonal with the stairs like that. Then punch in 2 blocks hole, and then keep on doing that. And then we're trying to make this diagonal so that it makes some sort of sense. I guess, yeah, they're pretty much all the same slope, so just repeating whatever we had over here. So we have those parking lot spaces like that. And then we're going to fill in, the rest of the parking lot with gray concrete powder. Alright, so it should look like this. And then we're going to go here, make a little manhole. So it's going to be a 2x2 here. Skip block 2x2. And then smooth stone blocks, 2 blocks wide here. And then stone stairs facing towards each other. That. And then we're going to go all the way over here. Skip block 2x2 here. Facing each other, stone stairs, and then 2 blocks wide, smooth stone. And then we're going to take a stone slab and we're going to add in a 3x4 right here. And then skip a block. Should be a smooth stone block in like that. Alright, so let's go back over to the other side here. Punch in a 2x2 here. Added 2 blocks wide, smooth stone blocks. And stone stairs facing towards each other. And then go right over here. Add in a smooth stone block there. And then we'll go all the way over here. Go to the middle of this parking space. And add in a smooth stone block in like that. Now the lamps, they're all going to be the same design, so I'll just build one. So it's going to be 11 blocks tall of nether brick fence. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then our polished black stone brick slab in the front and the back of it. And we do the same thing for the other one there and another one there. Alright, so once we added all those lamps, it should look like this. Yeah, that's actually pretty much it on how to make the hangar in Minecraft, the C-130. Please give credit to MartatjeNL for, the original design for this if you are building this. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy the video and you found this video helpful, and if you actually did complete all of it, let me know down in the comments and what you guys think. How was it building this? Was it actually hard? How long did it take you? And of course, make sure you hit that like button down below if you want to support the channel, and subscribe if you want to be notified of future videos. Check out our Discord. And anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.